Hello everyone, my name is Alan Thorne and welcome to this 3D Motive video course. Here we'll be building modular environments in Blender that we'll end up importing into the Unity game engine to make expansive levels for our games. Let's take a look at the mesh environment here that we'll be making. I have this environment configured here in the Unity editor and it's ready for use in our game. Now at first sight it looks like one complete and integrated mesh. That's how it's supposed to look. But looks can be deceptive. Really, this environment is composed from many smaller and independent pieces. They only look integrated because I've intentionally modeled them all to fit together seamlessly with each other like building blocks. In this course, I'll show you how to make these kinds of environments effectively and how to import them optimally into Unity. Not only that, but I'll show you how to do it using tools that cost you and your business absolutely nothing. We'll see how to model and map environments in Blender, how to texture paint and prepare materials in GIMP, and then we'll import our meshes into Unity so they work with both the free and professional versions. So if you want to make game environments with infinite potential, then let's get started.